Hello students, let's move to our next topic of coordinate geometry, that is a section formula. Here in this, if there is a segment here, can you all see a segment? What is the segment name? AB. And the point A is been given some point, you imagine x1, y1. Coordinates दिया है x1, y1 and B का x2, y2. Or this is the point P which is dividing the segment AB into two parts. टू पार्ट्स बोला है ना, इक्वल पार्ट्स नहीं है. तो ये जो टू पार्ट्स जो है दिस रेशियो इज 2 and this ratio is 5 here. So that means here we consider 2:5 रेशियो करके दिया है. सोच लो, इट्स एन assumption 2:5. So we will consider here what we are going to find out. We have to find the point P. ये पॉइंट P कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? फिर से बता रहे हैं, दिस इज अ सेगमेंट ए बी और जो P जो पॉइंट है ये दो सेगमेंट को दो पार्ट में डिवाइड किया है. अभी ये पॉइंट P का कोऑर्डिनेट क्या रहेगा करके हमें फाइंड आउट करने कभी भी बोलेंगे, तो इसके लिए हमें ये सेक्शन फॉर्मूला यूज़ करना है. सो हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ अ सेक्शन फॉर्मूला हियर. सो एज आई सेड, द ए point coordinate is x1 y1 and b coordinate x2 y2. We consider here this as a x comma y, and whichever the ratio is given, that we will consider m as a 2 and a n as a 5. So we are going to write the formula. So for this, first finding the x coordinate. ये x coordinate कैसे find out करने का है? x equals to, okay, x equals to. Then how we are going to find out? As I said, this is a m and this is a n here. Okay my dear, so we have to do a cross multiply, like for always understand m into x2, and देखो यहाँ से m into x2 प्लस ओके दिस n इंटू x1. पहले x का फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं ना, तो सिर्फ x ही आएगा, इस पे y आएगा ही नहीं. y विल नॉट कम एट ऑल. सो आई रिपीट, mx2 एंड व्हाट इज दिस नेक्स्ट वन, nx1, दिस प्लस nx1 अपॉन दिस रेशियोज को ऐड करना है m प्लस n. Understood how we got this x coordinate here? Yes. Now similarly for the y how should we write it? y के लिए भी ऐसे ही. फिर से बोलेंगे m into y2, that is m into y2 plus n into y1. सिर्फ y, there y only will come, no other x will not come here. Okay, m plus n similarly here. So understood how the section formula is. When you will use this, when we want to find this point, when a point is also given, b point is also given, and the ratios are given. When we want to find this point, we will apply this section formula. X equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. You understood now? What is this? We will do one sum and see it. Let's see one example. If the segment DE with point D and E, this is divided internally by point T. You understood? So how we are going to do? We are making a segment here, right? The segment, and what is the segment here? DE. So I am writing D and a E here. What is the D point? Minus 2 comma 7, and E point is minus 2 comma minus 5. Okay, I am writing here minus 5. Now is divided internally. Internally मतलब इसके बीच में किधर, तो point T in the ratio, T है in the ratio 1:3. 1:3, that means what is given? 1:3. So we will consider m as a 1 and n as a 3. If you want, you can write it 1:3. Now find the coordinates of point T. So we need to find the point of the coordinate. That means we will consider xy here. We will write it, let the coordinates for which one of point, okay, point TB, we will write it, I'll write it here, point TB, x and y. We will assume now x and y for the time being. Now, okay, now what we have to do, we have a point here D. Okay, what is the D coordinate? Minus 2, 7. So what you will take it? You will take it, this is x1, y1. And what is the other one? E, right? E, that is E, what is the coordinate? Minus 2, minus 5 as a x2, y2. Understood how to take it? Yes. Now we are going to use a which formula? By section formula. Okay, by section formula. So we will recollect it how we have learnt it. X equal to, this is a m, if you want you can write it m and n also. M into x2 we will say na, formula कैसे बोलते हैं? M into x2 and n into x1. m into x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. हो गया, ये हुआ x का, सॉरी ये हुआ x का. Now we will start y. We can do in simplest way. See, we know m plus n here. Okay, we will remember like this, m plus n here also. Okay, m plus n. Now you remember we have to write it here y2 and y1. Here also m plus n, x2, x1 we are. However, the method you wanted, you can remember the formula and keep it. Okay, now we are going to find x, mx2, x2, m is what? 1. 1 into x2 is what, my dear? Minus 2 plus n is 3. 3 into x1. Okay, x1 है ना, x1 क्या है? Minus 2 है. So I am writing minus 2. I'll tell again. M is 1. So I have taken m is 1. x2, it is in multiply form. m into x2, इसका मतलब है multiplication form. x2 is minus 2. Yes, can you see? Yes. Plus n is 3 and x1 is minus 2. Upon m plus 1, that is 1 plus 3. I am writing here 1 plus 3. Written. Then this is for the x. We will complete the x and then we'll go for the y here. Equal to 1. This is in multiply form. I said 1 2s are 2, plus into minus minus. Here also in multiply form. If you all getting confused, please put a multiplication. Here this plus sign is there. I'll put a plus sign. 3 2s are 6 and plus into minus 6 here. Upon 1 plus 3 4. Okay. Now here minus 2 plus into minus 6 upon 4. Okay, and now minus into minus plus. So 8 minus here 4. So for how many times? 2 times. So you will get minus 2. So you got x equals to minus 2. 1 point you got it. But we have to do for the y also. So let's do it for a y. Okay, I'll put a semicolon and keep it so that it won't confuse. M is what, my dear? We have already discussed 1 and y2 you can see minus 5. So minus 5, this is in multiply form, plus n is 3 and y1 is 7. Upon m plus 1, that is 1 plus 3. 5 ones are 5 and minus 5. 5 ones are 5 plus 3 7s are, this is in multiplication, 7s are 21 upon 4. Minus into plus minus. Okay dear. So now here you will have how much here? 21 minus 5 is 16. 16 upon 4. 21 बड़ा number है, इसके लिए no sign here, addition only. 4 4s are 16. So what do you get here? 4. So therefore what do you get here? Y equals to 4. So they are asked to find the coordinates of, so we will put it at T. Okay, how we will put? They are asked to find the point to coordinates of, so we are writing the final answer. Coordinates of point T is, how should we write it? We have to put it in the x and y form. So minus 2 comma 4. This is the final answer. You understood how to solve this sum? So when in a segment, when two parts is being given and their ratio also given, we can find this one. Even these two, see, even these two parts is given, these two points, and they asked to find, we can apply this formula. These two given, we can find this one. So whenever it is said it divided internally, we will use a section formula.